You know, it can be really frustrating is trying to find out information about laundromats. In this video, I'm going to talk to my buddy Dan, Hot Dogging with Dan, and we are going to go over the questions I get from you, the viewers, so that you can go out in the world if you want to get a laundromat and you can crush it. Tips and tricks that we've got, that we've learned the hard way, so you don't have to. Let's get started. What got you into the laundromat?
I'm a fan of passive income, right? They call mailbox money. Go out middle of the month, 1st and 15th, and there's always a check in the mailbox. You didn't have to do anything to earn it.
Would you get another laundromat? After having this one, after knowing how everything works and how you do everything, would you get another one?
I want 20 more.
That answers that question.
Yeah, I want 20 more. It's a great industry. Like I didn't obviously, you know, nobody really grows up thinking, yeah, I want to own a laundromat when I get older. But I mean, since I've got this one, I love it.
Okay.
Just meeting the people, and it's just something different.
What shocked you the most once you got a laundromat? Like what one thing were you not expecting that just blew you away when you got this and you're like, oh my God, that I never would have thought that.
The price for the machines. Like, because you go to Home Depot or Lowe's and you can buy a washer and dryer for your house, and this is because I didn't have any experience when I bought the place, so This is what I was expecting. I could go anywhere and just pick up a washer for $800 and call it a day. And you can't do that. These machines are completely different, apparently, and they're double, if not triple, the price, depending on the brand. So, I guess it's more or less sticker shock was the biggest thing for me when looking for new machines. So, this
is a spot. If you have a laundromat, this would automatically become the wash, dry, fold, drop-off center, right?
I wanted to do that, and I still want to. So what I'm looking for, though, I don't want to pay somebody to do it. I don't want an employee to do it for me. I want somebody to come in and run their own wash and fold service out of my office. I'm not going to charge them rent or anything like that. Basically, just keep the place clean, keep feeding my washers and dryers with quarters. And you can run your own business out of it. You can charge $1 a pound, and whatever's left after you wash and dry, then you keep whatever profit. It's hard to find somebody that understands that concept in this area. People here think you have to have a paycheck every week, and so it's just trying to find somebody that understands the concept of what it takes and what it is to run a business like that.
Yeah. Hey, PAI.
But that is the end goal.
Yeah. A lot of people in the industry, that's what they do. That's like standard practice. What would you do differently today, knowing what you know now after owning this for your time you've owned it?
When it comes to the new machines, but as far as doing something different, I can't really say, man. Honestly, I've been really lucky with this place so far. I mean, I've made mistakes, but I can't say that I would do anything different.
We'll get in that next. One question I get a lot about is bulkheads, and I've showed you my bulkheads, and the island behind your washers is your bulkhead. Your plumbing, your electrical, your drains. Now we're going to take a look in Dan's and see what his look like. Here's what we got. We got washers teed in. Okay, we got standpipes over here for your top loaders, copper tubing. You got your electrical panels, and then here we got your hard mounts teed in and draining down. And I assume it all goes to the wall and then it heads out the back of the building. Mm-hmm. And then you can see over here your electrical and power come down from the ceiling. And it looks like the water goes all the way along there. Or when you don't own your building, you can't always just go rip and tear everything apart without the landlord freaking out. So a lot of stores that are in rented spaces, you'll see bowling alley laundromats, dryers on one side, washers on another. It's because they're hugging that utilities up against those walls, and then they find an easy way to get them in and out. You know, just like the dryers, they might vent them straight out the back or through the roof like you saw him behind his. So, out of all the equipment you own, what piece of equipment gives you the biggest headache?
These right here, the Dexter front load washers, and I think it's only because the last guy bought them used.
Okay, so they're kind of at the end of their life.
Top loaders, any laundromat owner will tell you top loader.
Now I got a real treat for Crestwood Rocks, because Crestwood Rocks absolutely freaking loves top loaders. And Dan has got the market cornered on top loaders in this laundromat.
Yeah, I despise these things. The day I can get rid of these things, and I can't complain. I mean, you know, I can't complain too much But it's the maintenance. Maintenance is probably going to eat up about a third, if not more, of that. So, those are a pain.
Except me.
Yeah.
I like them.
Oh yeah, well, hate the top loaders. I've got
Okay.
I've got 24 of them.
I saw that. How do you handle repair?
When I first got, I had no clue what I was doing. So I called a distributor out of Chicago. Called him to get a quote, but while he was down here, I kind of explained to him, like, I just took the place over, I have no clue what I'm doing, half the machines are out of order. And he basically told me, like, all of these machines can be fixed. They're all easy fixes. It's, rather than having me go through his company, he gave me the direct phone number to one of their maintenance guys that they use.
What's your biggest fear in the laundromat? What's the biggest thing that kind of makes you?
Oh man, you're my hero on this one. My biggest fear is a dryer because it's unattended. I'm not here, and I kind of planned it that way. But if that something like that were to happen and I'm not here, like I've got fire extinguishers, but are the people that are here going to know how to use it, what to do?
Yeah.
And this is a strip mall, you know, where yours are standalone buildings.
All by
I'm in a strip mall, so if that happens here, it's going to take out 5 other businesses with it. So there's not much to it. This is the
Alexa Center.
This is the office. This is what I kind of secretly call Clyde's office.
Okay.
Clyde has a key to this. It's got his cleaning supplies and all that good stuff. So this is my office.
And you got the rear load change machines, which Danny highly recommends.
Yes. It's not quite as clean as yours, but
Well, we're gonna see behind the dryers.
behind the dryers.
This will be exciting, guys. Everybody asks me about what it looks like behind the dryers. I know.
I don't have any lights back there either. Let me get my flashlight on.
Well, this camera, it picks up pretty good. So everything here is going out through the roof, each individual unit. And then there's your 2-inch gas line. And you got
Not anywhere near as clean as yours, but hey, it was free.
You know, there's a lot of money spent back there to try to upgrade everything. It would be insane. You'd lose. There's 3 laundromat owners in the world, if you didn't know. There's the guy that doesn't do anything, he just collects money. Then there's the guy that over improves and doesn't make any money. And then there's a guy in the middle that does a balance and makes money. And that's what you want to be. It's called, one term is hero, Nero, and zero. And you want to be the hero. You don't want to be the Nero, and you don't want to be the zero.
Yeah.
And that's kind of in the industry, they kind of talk about that. So.
Yeah, I try to be that guy in the middle. The thing about this place, like, so in your case, you own the building, so it benefits you to go through and do all of, you know, make everything nice and pretty and clean because you know it's gonna work right. It's gonna, you know, that benefits you because you own the building and it's a long-term thing for you. I don't own this building, so I'm not there's no ROI for me to go back behind there and redo all the gas lines, redo the electrical. There's no ROI in that for me. So
you're going to be more of a cosmetic guy.
Yeah, it works.
Keep
so
it clean,
I just
run it. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing to be there. You got a hell of a business. So there's nothing. Trust me. Over 90% of the laundromats in the United States are leased. 90%. So that's the norm. People, when they own the building, that's so unexpected.
Yeah.
That's why everybody asks me. They're like, "How do you own?" Dumb luck.
Yeah.
Dumb luck. It's just dumb luck.
Yeah. Well, let me get my money.
We're gonna do a change out.
All right, I'm gone.
All right, man.
Now this is a money guy here. This guy's got all kinds of money. He drove up in some fancy Camaro. We're both in the wrong business. This guy's got the money.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Okay, here's first rule in business. Whenever you see somebody making money, you always find out how they're making money, and then you figure out how to make money with them.
Yeah.
So this is Adrian,
Hi.
and he actually runs this
Rocket Teller,
and he has the ATMs he puts at Hot Dog with Dan's place. And I was just curious how I could get an ATM. So
all right. It's easy. All you have to do is call us at 1-800-554-6286, and you can just, the way it works is basically we come in, it's for free. We provide the ATM for you, or you could actually purchase the ATM. We'll train you put it down, bolt it down as we do, add the security features to it. If you want a monitor, we'll put a monitor on top, and you can actually sell advertising to local businesses around your laundromat if you want to. And it's just another way of getting some passive income. That's basically it. So, yeah.
And like Adrian was just talking, business, number one rule, every square foot of your business needs to make money.
Every square foot.
So that's why you have vending machines and the ATM. And
Right.
And
Exactly.
I can tell you from experience, this is the guy to call.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yep. I'm pretty chill when it comes to business, and I treat it like a true partnership. And I'll come into your laundromat, and if I have to refill a machine or something like that at your location, Dan will tell you he'll probably catch me cleaning up the place.
Let me tell you something. Every time I see this guy in my laundromat, he's rarely at the ATM. He's wiping down my vending machines, wiping down my machines, the top of the machines. I don't even need a cleaner because of this guy.
Maybe I'm a little OCD or something, but I'll straighten up the carts.
Straighten up the carts, picking up trash.
Yeah, man, because it's basically, if the appearance of this place affects his business, so therefore it will affect my business. So he's the whale, and I'm the little fish underneath the whale,
Gotcha.
trying to get where I'm going.
Gotcha.
So we're gonna treat it like a partnership. So if you want an ATM, just reach out to me, and I tell you what, if you reach out to me, I'll make it worth your while just because of this YouTube channel. And remember to subscribe and like and comment on my facial hair if it's terrible, whatever you want to do, just do it.
Well, we appreciate the comment and subscribe because we sound horrible doing that all the time.
Yeah, buddy.